Previously on Inspiring Today.
Speaking of songs and your background, what really inspires you, or like how is your creative process like when you're creating a song?
Day-to-day life.
Something like Malala, something like Twarigana, something like Sweetie, something, all those songs. How long did it take you to write the song?
About 25 minutes. That's why you see all my collabos are hit songs.
All of them except none, I think. Except none.
Yeah.
By the way, talking of collabos, back then in 2009 or 10, I don't remember, you had a very massive song, something that we could say pushed you and brought you to the map, which is Yanimba. That is purely a love song, purely a heartbreak love song.
Yeah.
What happened on that? That is when you discovered that you can now push out.
No, by the way, I'd not even started seriously because sometimes I think it's God. That's why I always give the glory and everything back to Him. Because sometimes you might sing about things that are happening to some other people that you don't even know, and you might prophesy about things and they even come into existence. Existence like 10, 5, 4, 7 years to come.
Yes, just like we talked prior,
Sovoka, and then it happened at City Sovoka. So I sang about love when I was not yet in love, and everyone thought. And by the way, I wrote that song, my part, and Mikie Kenzo also wrote his part. But I brought that idea of that because I had also watched the video of Asha and PDD. That's where I even got the video script from. Same girl. And I said, if people love, but I can see people in love, though my age was not yet so much into it, but I see people love, I see people get heartbroken.
It is ending in tears sometimes.
So why don't I sing about this? I don't know where the words came from.
Who wrote the first verse and the chorus?
Myself. I had that melody.
Oh, so you had the melody before even Kenzo stepped in.
Yes.
How did he step in now?
We met at Wale Time Pub because we were karaoke time there and he used to come and sing there. So one time also I went there, I escorted Bobi. I also performed, and then Kenzo performed. And after he came, he said hi to me and other teammates who were there with Butcherman. So I guess he wanted to do a song with Butcherman because Butcherman was so much on market.
So Butcherman was bigger then.
Yeah. So he came to Kamocha. The following day I found him there. He wanted to do a song with Butcherman. But maybe out he didn't get time, a chance maybe to meet Butcherman. So as you know, I was also an upcoming artist, so we met. We started talking. I went to the studio. I was playing in some.
So something that happened, like he didn't get what he wanted, but it was an opportunity in this guy.
A blessing.
A blessing.
Yeah. So when we went to the studio, it was by the way, why don't we do a song? I said, no problem. Let's just freestyle here. And I told him, by the way, I have this melody. I sang that melody, and I think I'd recorded some vocals somewhere in the computer, and that's how we started. He started also composing his part. We shared ideas, and boom,
within an hour or 2 or 5 days, it happened. Wow. Somebody that we could consider, because that song was big even back then. I was still in my country.
It's still big.
It's still very big.
Yeah.
someone that we considered your friend, somebody that I can still consider your friend, you kinda parted ways. Let's be honest. He says because of politics. Doesn't politics frighten you or scare you? Because I'm very sure you have lost a lot of people because of politics.
Some people use all the word politics, politics,
and try to cover up something.
Good is always good no matter who has done it, and wrong is always wrong no matter who has done it.
Exactly.
Always do the right thing and leave the rest to God. I also, because my brother Kenzo has been having concerts all the way, and I've been so supportive. Sometimes he calls me on the last day, and I don't.
And you show?
I show up, and maybe even leave all my works because I know in my heart that it means a lot to him having a mega concert. And sometimes
I think you were even at the festival.
No, I didn't go to the festival because there was too much pressure at that time, because I even posted him calling fans to go and support him.
I saw the post.
And the internet caught fire. But as well, I said, Castami, I've done my part.
You have done your part.
Yeah. I couldn't perform there because it had too much politics and politicking.
It had a lot of things.
Yeah, and the backlash wouldn't have been good. Same thing he says, that's the reason as why he didn't attend my concert. Yes,
because he says he posted.
He posted on the last day.
He posted actually hours,
yeah, to the concert.
And it was no one post.
It's the concert. So he posted my person who
so-called the nemesis or the competitor,
and did for him.
By the way, there is also my brother who needs also support.
Yeah,
in his word.
Yeah. So I said, wow. So this is our relationship. This is where our relationship stands. I didn't take it so personal, but as you know, when you had a long-time brother,
yes, of course,
but he told me that he said on an interview, there is an interview that I saw, and he said the reason as why he didn't come to my concert because he loves me so much, and that I know he loves me so much. But in most cases, action speaks louder than words.
They do.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, but I don't want to talk much about it. But he knows where we came from, what we are fighting for since day one, what our goals were.
End up being almost arrested at the day of the shoot of the song.
So it really hurt me, but this is the world.
Yeah.
If you really do someone a favor and expect the same, you will be disappointed.
Yeah.
Always just wait for that favor as a surprise, as a good surprise or a bad surprise.
Exactly.
But I know maybe he was scared that people might boo him out. Was scared that maybe something wrong might happen. That's why I leave it at that. Because the more you give it time, it's the more it hurts more. Like knowing, even if you're a rival and you get sick, but when that rival that you have was once your brother, and he or she doesn't happen to come or maybe give you a push. However much you might not need that push, but it really hurts. So I just let that go because if you think more about such things, you also get a bad heart, and it's always not good. You always have to preach positivity, not negativity, because negativity leads to hatred, leads to evil hearts and minds, and I always don't want to go that side of it. So I always say next time better.
Next time better.
Yeah.
Is it part of the reason why you are not I would say, part of his cause, fighting for the copyrights. I've never seen you at UNMF, Federation. I've never seen you there. Is it part of the reason? Because you loved him so much?
No, but I always say the truth. Yeah. One time he came and told me about it. We were on a certain show. I said I'll look into it and see. Wagwan. So as we grew up to be responsible citizens, we also have to speak responsible minds. What I saw into that was maybe some of them wanted to politic,
as it is now unfolding.
Yeah. Because as I asked them recently, if I have to ask for my rights from the people that really know that it's my rights,
who are supposed to serve me,
my rights, and they say, you know what, you have to first be supporting us for you to get your rights. 1. 2, we have to get you somewhere, be giving you some little money, some good meals
to accommodate you and facilitate you
while you're begging. Then I don't go for that, because my right is my personal right. This is my music. I sang it alone, and maybe with other people that I collaborated with. I don't need to tell the government that, you see, this is me. You see, this is me, and this is me singing, because they really
you need to promote this. You know, this industry feeds family.
You understand? They know, but they deliberately do that because maybe when they give me a penny, I bow down for them and maybe think they are God, and they'll keep on postponing so that they get what they want.
Because it's over here now, let's be honest.
Yeah, and yet we had the same thing about the coffee.
Exactly.
And the law was passed in almost a week,
like a split second.
Yeah. So, but the copyright law is still pending.
They need to sign office to office.
And before signing, we are going to give you like 13 billion. Why would you give me? Why would you choose to give me what belongs to me?
Compensation?
I don't know. So those that don't lie in that side of the UMF, is UNMF,
Uganda National Musicians Federation.
Yeah. So those that don't ally with them, that means they are not supposed to get a cut of that money. Those that don't support the government in power are not supposed to get a cut of that money. That don't agree with what they say are not part of the industry. So that I call that unfairness. Because if that was supposed to be the same way, where the 13 billions, all the 3 billions, all the billions.
It started as 33, first of all.
You understand? So that means it's in Uganda we have a saying that goes, waliwo abana nebyana. So maybe one way or the other, if you don't comply with what they want, not what they believe is right, you are a chana. So if you bow down for them, then you are umana. But at the end of the day, trust me, those that believe they are calling abana will eventually turn into ebyana, because they will be the ones that have sold their souls to the devil.
Up next on Inspiring Today.
Is it too late to change?
It's not too late. It's never too late. But it's never too late only when it's late.